Hello and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton. Today we're taking a look at a 2025 Cadillac XT6 Sport featured in crystal white tri-coat with a jet black interior under the hood. Sets a 3.6 liter V6 engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Some features include heated and vented front seats, head-up display, heated steering wheel, power liftgate, power sunroof, backup camera, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door. We have Bose speakers, memory seating, power windows and mirrors, as well as our liftgate controls below. Taking a look at the seats here, down to the bottom left is the power seating and power lumbar. Hopping inside, to the left, you'll find your head-up display. Taking a look at the steering wheel here. On the left side, we have our cruise control with forward collision alert and the heated steering wheel. On the right, our cluster our cluster controls as well as our audio controls. Moving on to the infotainment system. Starting off with our radio, comes equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone using Bluetooth. Here we have our navigation and map. Throwing it in reverse, we have our backup camera and the HD surround vision. Just below that, climate controls with heated and vented front seats for both driver and passenger. Infotainment system controls, our wireless phone charging, center console here, storage up top as well as down below. Up top is the digital rear view mirror. Just above that, on start SOS with 2 dome lights and our power center controls. Here is the sunroof, and here is the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels. We have color matched mirror caps and door handles with keyless entry, privacy tint on the rear windows. Making our way to the back here, we have some Cadillac and XT6 badging. You can also see it is all-wheel drive, and we can double click to pop it open here. We have a ton of storage space back here, and just to the right you'll notice some power controls to drop the second and third row of seats, making a ton of extra storage space. We also have some hidden storage down below. It's quite a spacious rear, and we can close it up by just pushing the button. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door with Bose speakers, powered window, cup holder down below. We have 2 seats in the middle here, as well as 2 in the back, and the manual seating adjustments are just to the bottom left. Popping inside, the back of each seat we have magazine holders, our rear climate control, 2 USBs, and all the way down at the bottom, pull-out cup holder and storage. Up at the top, handles paired with a dome light, as well as our vents matched on either side, and in the third row we have vents and light on either side as well as cup holders paired with a USB-C. You get a great view of this power sunroof, and here's the view from the back. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2025 Cadillac XT6 Sport. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. We hope to see you here at Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton very soon.